Yes, very good. What the hell was that? Something I'm working on. Pretty cool though, right? Cool? Troy, that was amazing! But what was that? Well, last night, I went to visit my pal Clint over at Bistro Huddy.
Get another bucket of ice for the bar. You want to look at the menu? You want another couple old fashions down there? Gonna nurse that beer all night, bud? Medium rare? Brad, do not touch that TV.
Go to the bathroom.
I got you. Service talk.
Watching him work made me realize we bartenders,
We don't really do that much.
so I thought I'd add a little pizzazz. Yeah? Flair. Flair! Exactly.
Wait, you started learning all this bartending flair stuff yesterday?